Select the lasso tool and make a selection around your subject. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the selected area in a new layer. Create a solid color layer and pick a background color. Place the color fill layer below the layer with the subject. Select the layer with the subject. Make a new selection that's a bit larger than the one you made before. Hold Ctrl+Alt and click on the thumbnail of the subject layer. This area is now deselected. Go to Select, Modify, Expand. I expand the selection by 5 pixels. Create a solid color layer and make it white. Select the mask of the top color fill layer. Go to Filter, Filter Gallery. Select Spatter and adjust the settings to your liking. If you want, you can add a paper texture. Press Ctrl+T, resize and move the paper so it covers the entire image. Create a clipping mask for the paper texture layer. And that's how you create this ripped paper effect.